Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys lock screen pattern setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you change your pattern lock in your Samsung phone guys. You want to change guys pattern lock in your Samsung phone, so guys you can change. And guys now let's see how to change pattern lock in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's see how to change pattern. First of all open your phone setting guys to change your lock screen pattern. Then guys scroll it. Lock screen setting. Guys click on screen lock type. Guys draw your pattern which you have now, and guys click on again pattern, and guys new pattern guys we will change it. So example for guys I will take this Z1 pattern, and guys don't forget your pattern. If you forget guys you need to reset your phone and be all data will be erased. So I don't forget your pattern, continue Z, confirm. Yes, backup to reset, okay, agree. Then guys we will off our phone screen guys, and guys you can see we have this pattern lock. So guys first pattern guys was L, guys wrong pattern, you can see this Z pattern. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pattern lock in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.